Okay, we're on page 134 and we're continuing solving the problems. What is being asked here is to graph the following by plotting at least 2 points. Okay, so this is very simple. Here they're specifically asking me 2 points. Okay, so in this equation, okay, I'm going to rewrite it here. There is 2 points that belong to this line. So what they're asking me is simply like find 2 points that belong to this equation of the line and then just draw it. Okay, so how do I find those points? Easy. The first point is the simplest. You just write x equals 0 and you replace it here. So if x is equal to 0, what is y equal? 1. There you go. So this is my first point. Now I need the second point. So instead of x equals 0, what do? I choose another number that is very easy for me to calculate, to compute. So here let's choose 1, just like that. So, and then I replace 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 plus 1, 3. There you go. Now you have your second point, that is 1, and that's the coordinate like x coordinate 1 and y coordinate 3. Done. Then you have your point. So this is 0, 1 and 1.3. How easy is this? I'm not asking you to do a precise graph to the millimeter. I just want you to sketch. If this is your sketch and I can see the 2 points and I can see that you find it this way, perfect. You got full credit for the question. Now we're gonna go with the second type of question. Okay, so this question is simple. Now they're asking us to graph, but using the y-intercept and gradient method to graph. Okay, so in other words, they want me to by looking my equation to find both and to solve it. So I'm going to write here y equal to x plus 1. So the first thing that you're going to find is your y-intercept. And in a graph, in any graph, the y-intercept is where my line crosses the y-axis. Okay, so it crosses where? In 1. So we're going to say this is 1. So here, for sure, I know there's a point. Now, if I look at the gradient, at this guy, the guy that's in front of x, here, what I will have to use is the method of the rise over run. So I need to remember that a whole number like this, I can write as a fraction, 2 over 1, right? So if I know one of my points and I remember the rise over run, so this is my rise. Rise is 2. Is this positive? Yes, it's positive. So that means that from here I go 2 units up. So if I go 2, this is 3. Okay, and from here, so I want rise 2 points, and here I go 1 unit. That's my run. So I go 1 unit. So my second point should be here, and this is 1. And now you can just draw your superb line. Okay, so let's do another one to show how easy is this. So I'm gonna make my graph here. Remember, I'm asking you to sketch. I don't want a graph that is precise. Let's choose this one. I'm gonna just show you how easy is this. Okay, so the slope, let's start with my y-intercept. Is it positive or negative? Positive, so it's gonna be up 1 2, positive 2. So here I know I will have my first point. Extremely easy. Then my slope is negative 2 over 3. So here, if you look, the sign is telling you the direction. Is it positive? No. So I don't have to go up. I have to go now down. Okay? So the negative gives you the direction. So when you do the rise over run. So the rise is negative, so I go down by how many units? 2. So 1, 2. And I hit this point. And now, how many units in my run? 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now I have my 2 points. And this time I'm going to make a nice line. There you go. Just like that. How easy is this?